FDA Registration Assistance presents. If your company manufactures, repackages, relabels, imports, or distributes drug products in the United States, you've likely encountered a requirement called FDA Drug Establishment Registration. But what exactly is Drug Establishment Registration? Who needs it? And how does it fit into the FDA compliance process? Let's break it down. FDA Drug Establishment Registration is the process of registering certain drug-related facilities with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. The purpose is to identify facilities involved in manufacturing, preparing, propagating, compounding, processing, packaging, relabeling, or holding drug products intended for the U.S. market. Registration allows FDA to maintain records of facilities participating in the pharmaceutical supply chain. For many companies, drug establishment registration is a required step before legally marketing drug products in the United States. Many companies may require drug establishment registration depending on their role in the supply chain. Examples often include drug manufacturers, contract manufacturing organizations, drug repackers, relabelers, private label drug companies, and certain import-related operations. Both domestic and foreign facilities may be subject to FDA registration requirements. Determining who must register depends on the specific activities being performed. Both domestic and foreign drug establishments may require FDA registration. However, foreign facilities have additional obligations. Many foreign drug manufacturers must appoint a U.S. agent as part of the FDA registration process. The U.S. agent serves as FDA's U.S.-based communication contact for the foreign establishment. FDA Registration Assistance serves as U.S. agent for drug establishments around the world and helps companies navigate the registration process. One of the most common areas of confusion involves drug establishment registration and drug listing. They are related but not the same thing. Establishment registration identifies the facility involved in regulated drug activities. Drug listing identifies the specific drug products associated with that establishment. In many cases, companies need both. Understanding the distinction is critical for maintaining FDA compliance. Many drug products also require national drug codes, commonly known as NDC numbers. The NDC serves as a unique product identifier for listed drug products. Obtaining a labeler code and properly assigning NDC numbers is often an important part of the FDA drug registration process. FDA registration assistance helps companies navigate these requirements and prepare the necessary submissions. Some of the most common mistakes include assuming registration alone is enough, confusing establishment registration with product listing, failing to maintain accurate facility information, using incorrect ownership information, or failing to appoint a U.S. agent when required. These mistakes can create unnecessary delays and compliance challenges. That is why proper planning and accurate submissions are so important. Drug compliance requirements can quickly become complex, especially for companies entering the U.S. market for the first time. That is why pharmaceutical companies worldwide trust FDA registration assistance. Our team assists with drug establishment registration, drug listing, NDC labeler codes, U.S. agent services, import compliance support, and broader FDA regulatory guidance. Since 2013, we have helped companies in more than 135 countries navigate FDA compliance requirements. If your company manufactures, repackages, relabels, or distributes drug products for the United States, understanding FDA Drug Establishment Registration is an essential first step. Contact FDA Registration Assistance today and learn how our team can help support your FDA drug compliance journey.